Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today what we're going to be doing is a 24-hour overnight challenge. So this is all the gear we've got. Looks like a lot, but Zach, run us through what we've got.
Just swags and stuff, which is probably a bit of a luxury, but we have them, so we're using them. We have camera gear and I think a spare pair of clothes, just in case, you never know. Fishing rods, fishing gear, spotlights, sleeping bags and a bunch of other stuff.
Got 2 knives there, that's all our cooking gear. And we've actually got this spear. So I got this at Cape Leveque a couple of years ago. Go have a look where that is. It's in the middle of nowhere. But I got it from an Aboriginal guy called Terry. So we've got to see if we can get anything. Highly unlikely, but why not? Survival, let's go. Alrighty guys, so first off what we're going to do is we're going to build a fireplace. So we're just going to get some rocks from the river down there, just over there, and alrighty, so this is the fireplace so far. So I've just put like a layer of bark on the bottom because the dirt's actually quite wet. Hopefully that afternoon sun over there, hopefully when it comes over here it hits us and dries all this out, because you probably can't tell but all this is a bit damp, so it's a bit hard to light a fire when everything's wet.
Looking good so far though. Going under fence. Hold this. Okay, Joe has realised that it's impossible to cross there and has listened to his younger cousin and
come on.
is now... Okay, so we've just come to this new place. It's got a bit of a waterfall and a fast moving stream. Just on the other side there is a bit of a hole. There's a little hole here, but the water's going a bit fast. But we're just giving it a hope. And
so we've come up to the dam. It was our last resort. We were trying to get one down at that little river, but we've come back up to the dam to hopefully try to get a fish. That's the lure I'm using, nice little stump jumper, my trusty one, so hopefully it can get me a fish. If not, we'll go. So the boat was full of water, so it's taken forever to drain, so we had to siphon it. So what that is as you can see the pipe, so one end of the pipe has to be higher than the other for it to work, and you suck at the other end of the pipe, and then I'm pretty sure the gravity pulls the water down out of the thing that is higher than the other. So that's what we've tried to use here. It's taking... Alrighty guys, so we are out on the water. As you can see, the boat's still half filled with water, but we decided let's just go. We need a fish for dinner, so wet shoes is better than no food in the tummy. So we're just going to be out here fishing until we get a fish, pretty much. So yeah, wish us luck, and yeah, we really need a fish.
okay, so we're not having too much luck with the lures, so we're going to give a few little slippery suckers some worms that we caught earlier. We're going to try and do them, and I'm just going to hook up a little line with a hook on the end. Okay, Joe's on. Yeah. Apparently he's got a fish. Yay!
Oh my gosh! Yes!
Okay, so supposedly we have a fish.
I'm so happy.
Okay, so Joe's just got the fish, but what we need to do... Yep, he's got the fish, and what we need to do is we need to get maybe some salt and pepper, if we have any, and some lemons. Not too big, but is it good enough for a half decent feed?
Oh geez, man, it's done. Yeah.
What, the boat's floating away?
Yeah, check this
As long as we have our fish,
yes,
I think we're fine.
Ready? So it was pitch black, and I just got a bite. It's nothing special, but We haven't had anything to eat since 9 o'clock. That's not a bad fish. So here it is. So I think that's about, let's have a look on the scale, 35 centimeters around. So that is a decent fish in my books when I'm starving. And
Right, here's the lemons. And so now, oh, there's an emu. And now I just need to go get some salt and pepper. Okay, so we've just made it back to camp. We've got the light set up, facing this whole camp.
yes, we've got
yeah.
a fish.
And we've got this little fire, which if you can't tell, probably not, but it's starting to get a bit dewy already. So we're hoping
Got the flint.
everything's, yeah, we've got a flint.
So we've got the lighter. So what I'm doing here is I'm just mixing all this up and trying to get it as fine as possible. A bit of sheep wool in there. But yeah, I'm trying to get it as fine as possible so that the flint can start it. So we'll see how we go because everything's a bit damp. But turn my liner. This is gonna take a couple tries. But let's go.
That's almost guaranteed.
Yeah. So close. Alrighty, we got the fire going after lots of flint stroking. Stroking would be the word, but it's going good. Everything's a bit wet, so it's hard to get it really roaring. But what we're gonna do next is we got 2 lemons, a bit of salt in a thing. We got old mate Fish over here just chilling out, and we're gonna cook him up. And we might gut it. We've got to wait for the coals of the fire. We've got to make this a bit bigger. And it should be awesome, hopefully. I can't wait for dinner. Alrighty, so what we're doing now is we're just scaling the big rig. So always do this away from your campsite because you don't want any dogs or cats or anything. Crocs if you're up north. You don't want any of that near your tent. Alrighty guys, so we've just scaled the fish. So that's all good. We just went down and washed it at the creek. And so now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna gut it. So you just go down, straight down, up to there. Then gross bit, we might go down to the river and wash this. Grab in, you pull its guts out, get right in there. And now, and we'll go down to the river and wash this. Put it on the bag. Yep. Alrighty guys, so now that we've gutted the fish, so we've got, I'm probably not allowed to show you that on YouTube, but we've got all the guts and everything out from this area of the fish. And now what we want to do is we want to get our lemon. Little lemon. Zach got the smallest lemons he could find.
Oh well.
Cut it up. There goes one. Get our second one. Cut it up. And now, so you want to put, you can probably cut it into quarters. So that's in half, and then just chop it again. Yeah, sorry about the table. It was the best thing we could find. It's meant to be a survival mission, so. And then what you want to do, just chuck your knife there. You want to put the lemon inside the fish. So when the fish is cooking, all the flavour soaks into the meat, and it gives you that nice taste. Alrighty, so now I reckon that's all we want to do, and then seeing as it is survival, we're going to cook it the most simple way, and that is getting the coals. So we want to let this all burn down, and then see all in there, right in there, that's the bits that we want to just leave, and then we'll put the fish on it, and we'll let that cook, and then the outside of the fish will become all crispy. So everyone likes a bit of crispy skin. Don't tell me you don't, otherwise get out of the video. So what we're gonna do now is the fire's finally calmed down enough that we can chuck him on. Now I might just grab a stick work the coals around him a bit. Him or her. Not sure what one. Alrighty, so the fish is finally ready. Not that it looks like a fish anymore, but take it off. Oh, she's
Got a big piece of charcoal with that one.
Damn it.
And you've dropped it.
That's alright, just flip her on. Onto our homemade plate. Chuck this big
Tackle box.
coal back in. We'll get the... Oh, that's hot. We'll scrape all the coal off it, because that's the idea of the skin, so that you can just peel it just like that. Look at that. Oh my. Alrighty, so the fish has just come out and it is looking beautiful. Zach,
Good.
are you ready? We have been waiting for food for so long. So we got a bit of salt and pepper, we bought it. We're gonna sprinkle it on top.
First taste.
Whew, bit of lemon.
Oh, it's so soft. Mmm.
Oh my, that looks so good. Let's have a look. Zach, what do you reckon?
That's a nice piece right there.
Yeah?
Bit of grass on it.
Oh, who cares?
Dip it in the salt and pepper.
Ho ho! Alright, my turn. I gotta have a taste.
There's a lot of pepper.
Ready?
It's very nice though.
Oh my gosh, that is so good! I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten for like however long, but that tastes beautiful. Oh, bad things taste good when you're in the bush. The best thing ever.
And this is what you call a soft, chewy, good, warm.
That was so good.
Bring it over.
Oh no.
Oh, pull the spine out. Smart.
Oh no, he's cooked it. Well, I think his spine's broken.
Nice fish spine.
Beautiful.
And lemon.
Look at that.
Good.
Alrighty, we've just finished the fish. Everything is all gone. There was not a single thing left, was there, Zach?
No, just the eyes.
Yeah.
No one wanted
No, I
them.
don't think the eyes were left. I think I still ate them.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's this night done. Hopefully there's nothing crazy happening in the night, but if there is, I'll try to get the camera ready, and Zach will probably be wetting his pants. So, you ready? Yeah. You gonna have a good night's sleep?
Oh yeah.
Nice and warm in there?
I think so.
Taking the boots inside, that's brave.
Sorry, Indy.
Don't know what I think about that, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. They'll get
Oh, yes. Shoes off. Let's go. Okay, so nothing ended up happening the next day. So we tried to go for a fish, got nothing. So we're going to end the video here. If you want to see more of this, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Also, sharing with all your mates really helps us out, gets our name out there. So yeah, we'll see you next time.